Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping, with a discussion about our two most popular topics, nose blackheads and ear blackheads. That's right, of the 900,000 search impressions our page had last month, 8 of the top 10 search terms were some combination of the words nose and ear blackheads. Apparently, you love both. On a side note, dilated pores of Weiner and pimple popping round out the top 10. So which do you like more? Would you rather see ear blackheads like this? Or would you rather see nose blackheads like this? Let's look at various examples of each. So, do you want to guess our other top search terms? The top 12 searches were all some sort of blackhead or pimple popping combo video. Numbers 13 and 15 were tonsil stone and tonsil stones. Yuck. And number 14 is STEATOCYSTOMA. STEATOCYSTOMA multiplex is a benign, autosomal dominant congenital condition resulting in multiple cysts on a person's body. STEATOCYSTOMA simplex is the solitary counterpart to STEATOCYSTOMA multiplex. Here are a few more examples. All of these stats are based on the search results from our channel called All Star Medical. I guess we should change our name to All Star Blackheads, as you love those open comedones. And thanks again for subscribing to the channel. Please make sure to click the notification bell for all our updates. Adam and I are dedicated to helping educate and inform the general public and destigmatize health and dermatological conditions. By sharing our videos, you become part of the team. So thanks for watching, let's grow together. But in a good way, not in a nail fungus kind of way.
Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.